When I first got started with Google Cloud, everything worked great, but I noticed it was much more expensive than I expected it to be. I wanted to talk about how I was able to save about $16,000. My problem was I needed to run 300 jobs a day across all the popular databases and file systems. So I went in and stood up static hardware, left it up, and installed all of my software. But I was shocked to see what the bill really was at the end of the month. And when I analyzed and looked at this problem, I noticed that my servers were up 100% of the time, and they were physically mapped to static resources. So they really weren't ephemeral, and I wasn't taking advantage of some of the power of the cloud. We had to rethink, if we're having this challenge, won't everyone else, especially the customers we support, have these same cost and scale challenges with their journey to the cloud? So we went back and thought about how we've designed the software, and we redesigned it into Kubernetes containers. So we take the OWL software and make sure that it's runnable and portable and agnostic and lives inside of this container. And if that's the case, we could take advantage of Google's compute service. What this allows us to do is send the same jobs through a K8 master and procure the hardware at runtime from a pool. And when the job is done, the hardware goes back to the pool, drastically reducing the amount of server uptime that we have and also allowing our software to be designed in a more flexible way. We were able to achieve the same 300 jobs across 12 different data sources for $2,000 a month.